Hey folks, today I'm outside of Duncannon, Pennsylvania. That's northwest of Harrisburg. And I'm hiking to Hawk Rocks. Let's do it. All right, just a short way in, the trail splits. Looks like we have found the Appalachian Trail. It's going that way. We're gonna head up. So now we will be following the white blazes. You don't initially start following any blazes, you just follow the path. And then shortly thereafter you come across the AT. Alright, there's a large cairn here, and the trail appears to split. The AT goes that way, and I wonder if that's the way I'm supposed to go. There is nothing else that marks this way. Whew. In case I failed to mention it, I am no longer on the AT. I'm on an unmarked trail that is going up pretty quickly. At this rate, I imagine we'll be there very soon. It's our first pretty good view of the Susquehanna. The trail is pretty steep and a little slippery here. And we keep going. Up, up, up. All right, we go down a few steps. Oh, this looks like it might be a nice little overlook. Let's check it out. So you come up, it's really steep, but it's not technical. But yeah, it'll definitely make you sweat, especially on a day like today. And there's a nice little campsite up here at the top. All right, once you make it up to the ridge, it really evens out up here. Turns into a pretty nice ridge walk. Looks like we're coming across another reasonably nice campsite. Place to sit and everything. It looks like we've come across an intersection with the AT. Alright, so the trail I was on, it meets the AT straight up there. And of course I went south. If I come north, it drops right down here to a pretty fantastic view. Town of Duncannon down there on the banks of the Susquehanna River. Just to mention, had I gone south on the AT, that would take you to Cove Mountain and the Cove Mountain shelter. Alright, so what do I think of this Hawk Rock hike? I think it's a pretty nice hike. I would definitely suggest doing the loop that I did. I'll put the specs in the description below. But yeah, that steep section of the trail that heads up, that's unfortunately unmarked, that provides some really great views to the north of the Susquehanna. And then it's a nice ridge walk to the AT where you are put immediately onto Hawk Rock, which has a great view. And then you can take the AT back. The AT is a much easier hike than going up that steep path. So if you don't want to do the steepness, I would just take the AT both ways, make it an out and back, and you're good to go. Lots of families on the trail this morning, so be aware that this is a popular hike. I did hear it's one of the best views in the Harrisburg area, so expect some people to show up. Alright, other than that, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.